and it's been amazing. Yeah, it's been really amazing. It's a completely different environment. Yeah, different environment, completely different environment. And I'm here to just sensitize you with some information. I'm here in the UK with COS. I'm here based on sponsorship. I got a job from Nigeria and I'm here in the UK working. Yeah, and my visa was duly paid for, fully paid for, and my flights was fully paid for. Getting here, my accommodation was also paid for. That's what sponsorship means. So I've gotten a lot of messages from friends, yeah, from people around me, communities around me. I have my own friends, I have my own communities, I have people I know. So I've been receiving message, period, Japa, tell us say you don't come on. How many people I want tell say I don't come on? I can't really reach out to everybody and say I'm going, yeah, I'm going, I'm going. No, 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 no. Some things, sometimes you just let it pass through the pipeline and see how it's gonna end, and thank God, better is the end of this thing than the beginning. So yeah, I'm here already, and trust me, I am ready to give you every information that you need. Yeah, every information that you need about relocating to the UK if you're willing. If you really want to change, if you want to change your location, yeah, I'm going to drop every information you need. And trust me, you can hit me up, you can chat me up on any platform. Yeah, just okay. For those that have my personal contacts, no problem, we can chat. But let's just keep this as simple as possible. Okay, so I'm here on sponsorship. Yeah, like I said, I got a job from Nigeria, and I'm going to show you the step by step to how I got the job, the kind of CV I used to get a job, how the process all went. A lot of people feel like you must write IELTS, you must write IELTS to relocate to the UK. Yeah, for some people you might need the IELTS, but for me, I didn't use the IELTS, although I have IELTS results. Yeah, I have IELTS results. Yeah, not 0.1. Yes, I have IELTS 6.5 and 7.0 respectively. Yeah, but I didn't use my IELTS to come to this place. So all of this information I will be sharing with you. You can come to the UK without writing your IELTS. You can get a job from Nigeria, and you can move to the UK with your family. If you're getting sponsorship, you can move with your family. You can move with your spouse, with your husband, with your wife, with your kids. Yeah, you can. So I'm just going to be sharing all these details in my next video, and I want to plead with you that you can like and subscribe to this page. Yeah, not for any reason. Let's say you're my friend, so just subscribe because you're my friend. Subscribe because you like me. Subscribe because you like God. Okay, so yeah, I'll be sharing all these details in the next video, and so please, I would like you to watch. Stay tuned, and trust me, I'll be dropping some shots just to show you what the UK looks like, things that interest you, things that will get you anticipated. Like, okay, sometimes there are some things you just get to hear, and I was just like, wow, really, this is how it works? Yeah. A lot of things that is strange to me when I got here. Very strange. Like, very, very strange. I'm like, so this is what is happening here. Ooh, very strange. But trust me, I'll be dropping the videos, dropping the short videos, then dropping the other videos that tells you how to do all of these things. So thank you very much, everyone. It's 1 hour difference already. Ugh, yeah, it's 1 hour difference from Nigeria. So, and this opportunity is not for Nigerians alone. Yeah, I know Nigerians want to do more, want to relocate. When I was relocating, I relocated with with people from Ghana. Yeah, people from Gabon. Yeah, yeah. Everybody just wants something. Yeah, something better, a better environment, Just the same way you want to change your job where you paid 200K to 500K. Everybody wants to change for a better place. So it's not for everybody, but if you think this is for you, please click the subscribe button and see you in the next video. Thank you very much and have a wonderful night rest. Yeah. Bye. Yeah.